In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in HP Envoy 6555E all-in-one printer. First step is to switch on the printer and open the ink chamber. So lift it from this side. The cartridges will move and come into the right position. To take them out, you just have to press it down from here and then just take it out. Very easy. Take your new ink cartridges, remove the orange seal and then place it here. Slide it under the lock and push it in. It will lock automatically. Same with the black ink cartridge. Remove the seal and place it here. Lock it. Once it is done, push the door down and carefully close it. Go to the printer display panel and wait for the confirmation. Once you see the main screen, that means we have installed the ink cartridges. To check the ink level, click on the supplies. Here we can see the estimated level of ink. Thanks for watching.